Here's question 21. So increase 3,000 by 30%. So what I need to do is I first need to find out how much is 30% of 3,000. So I can take that 30% and write that as 30 over 100. Now I can simplify that, and so I can write this as 3,000 times, and now this is 3 times 10 over 10 times 10. So those 10s will cancel out. So that becomes 3,000 times 3 over 10. So if I do 3,000 times 3, that gives me 9,000. Divide that by 10, well, that gives me 900. So that's how much 30% is. Now what I need to do is I need to increase it by that. So I'm going to take my original $3,000 and I'm going to increase, so I'm going to add on the $900, and that's going to give me 3,900. Part B, decrease $250 by 10%. So I first of all need to find what is 10% of 250, and then I'm going to do the decrease. So I'm going to take 250 times 10%, and I'm going to do that times 10 over 100. Now I can simplify 10 over 100 as, so 100 is the same as 10 times 10, so that means I can cancel out those 10s there. So that's going to leave me with 250 divided by 10, which is $25. Now I want to do the decrease part. So I had 250 and now I want to reduce it by $25. So take away $25 and that leaves me with $225. Part C. This is the nasty one. This is level 6. So if an item was sold for 27, oh sorry, no, this is only level 5, sorry. If it was sold for that, what is the original profit? So this means that it's already got a 10% profit in it. So it's saying, well, some number times 110% is equal to $27.50. So that's what the question's saying, is what was this original cost? And we multiplied that by 110%, and then it gave us a new price of $27.50. So let's find the original. So 110%, I can write that as 110 over 100. And I can write that in decimal as 1.1. So what I want to do is I want to say, well, to find the cost, I need to do $27.50, divide that by 1.1. So now I need to do a little bit of division. So I'm going to do $27.50 and I want to divide that by 1.1. So to make this easier, and the answer is going to come out the same, I'm going to move this decimal place over one space, which means I move that decimal place over one space. So this becomes 11 divided into 275.0. So now let's do this division. Now I can't do 11s into 2, but I can do 11s into 27. And that would be 2 times 11 is 22, and that would give me a remainder of 5. So now how many 11s in 55? Well, there are 5 11s in 55, so there is my answer of 25. So the original cost was $25.